Welcome to the second video of section 1. In this video, we are going to take a look at the technologies that can be used and that are available in the Flipper Zero and the attacks that can be performed in Flipper Zero, the kind of attacks and what is inside the course. So let's move. If we talk about Flipper Zero, there are lot of things and hardware hacking possibilities with Flipper Zero. And Flipper Zero technologically targets RFID cloning, wireless key fob, NFC attacks and remote control systems. Now the first thing is RFID cloning or RFID emulations. RFID cards or batches are the cards that we use in our colleges or in our offices to mark attendance. Flipper Zero can read these cards, decode them and also emulate them. Just imagine cloning a access card and then using it to enter the system. That is possible with Flipper Zero. Then we have wireless key fob hacking. It can be used to target and clone wireless key fobs for cars and garage doors. We have things like FASTag and wireless key fobbing techniques that are used to open garage doors and even open cars. Flipper Zero can again clone them, read them, decode them and then emulate them. Then we have NFC attacks. Flipper Zero can perform various NFC, that is near field communication attacks, such as credit cards that have tap to pay feature and cards that use NFC. NFC cards can be emulated. The data extraction process is simpler in Flipper Zero. Then we have remote control systems. Flipper Zero also has an infrared that can be used to emulate remote controls for applications like TV remotes, AC remotes and other electronics. Just imagine cloning a remote control. It has a module called Universal Remote. Just imagine turning off any electronic device remotely without having the access. Turning off CCTVs, cameras and lot of things. That is possible with Flipper Zero. Talking about other possibilities of Flipper Zero, it has wireless network hacking capabilities. There is a particular module that is covered in this course that uses wireless network hacking techniques. Flipper Zero can be employed to perform wireless network penetration testing, including cracking Wi-Fi passwords, capturing handshake packets, and testing network vulnerabilities. It is a combination of all the attacks that can be done if we talk about hardware hacking. There are custom applications with Flipper Zero. In this section, we will also cover few things like some custom firmwares. Users can also create some custom application and scripts for Flipper Zero to target specific technological vulnerabilities or conduct specialized penetration testing tasks. There is a module in Flipper Zero that attacks Bluetooth and even U2F. Scripts like bad USB can also be used in Flipper Zero. Just imagine turning a script in Flipper Zero and all the devices around using Bluetooth technology are dead. This is how sharp and bad Flipper Zero can be. So that's it for the video. Search Priyank Gada on LinkedIn and connect for more technological updates regularly for free. Shesha.